Hey guys, today we're going to be trying to get noob to pro in Bee Swarm Simulator, but it's going to be a series. Let's just select a random day. Noob to pro 2023. Let's do this. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. There we go. Come on! Oh, that scared me so bad. I thought there was going to be a two-step, but you don't need that for making new accounts. We can't be looking like a baconaire? Hello? Okay. How do I have Arthur? Bro, what is going on with Roblox? Bro, what? Oh, thank God. We can't be looking like this. No, boom. I guess we're finished. Yes. Beat. No. Anyways, guys, let's go into the test round. Whatever, I'm still doing it. What? Why can't I join the group? No. Okay, guys, let's just join the test. No, I'm joking. There's gonna be a series, and I'm too lazy to do cuts in this video, so then you could just see what I'm doing. But we might cut for off-cam grinding. I don't need... It's not time. Oh, it is the rarest still spawning. Oh, actually. Hello. Do you guys know? Anyways. Oh no, we gotta join the group. I wanted to do Demi-Decade does if doodads 1M like 2M likes. You know, let's just say I wanted to do all the OP likes. Oh. NTP. Bees. Bro is a fan of bees, I swear. He made bees on because he just loves bees. That's it. Join the group. Boom. And it's gonna be nighttime, right? Yeah, it's gonna be nighttime, guys. Look at this. You're gonna see it's gonna be nighttime because, like, I'm always right. And if I don't get this right, I'm throwing my iPad out the window. Okay, guys, I'm gonna throw my iPad out of the window. Bro, why am I a noob? Nuh-uh. God, I didn't actually throw my iPad out of the window. Push me, hello? I don't... Okay, finally. Sexiest avatar ever. Okay, come on. Bro, it's my dream bee, the vector bee. You know what? I'm gonna buy some... I thought bees was also here. But we're gonna buy a... Buy Robux an item. Boom. Guys, look. I got a mythic egg. Let's go, a mythic egg. Oh my gosh. Let's go. We got a mythic bee. Hey guys, it's me. And I did some off-camera guiding. I am a little hard-working boy. But anyways, I discovered 9 types of bee. I got a gold egg from Black Bear. I got the exhausted bee. But yeah, I did so many, like, this took me like, I don't know, 10 minutes? 15? no, it's like 12. I don't know. But yeah, so let's just do this. Grab treats. Oh my god, grab treats? What should I buy? Boom. Alright, we are looking good. So yeah, I just wanted to say, okay, let's drink very much. And guys, I'll end the video here because I was just doing some off-camera grinding. See you in episode 2. Bye.